Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for joining me. This plant behind me is Agastache, the cultivar Blue Fortune. It's a wonderful plant I wouldn't be without. It provides great structure, has beautiful light purple florets, although depending on the cultivar that can change a little bit. It's a pollinator magnet. It just has loads of honeybees over it. I see it swarming with little native bees here. We call them sweat bees. There's a hummingbird out here not too long ago, and you do get butterflies on it. If you're looking to grow Agastache, plant it in your average garden soil, something not too wet or not too dry, and good sun. And this plant gets about 3 to 4 feet tall. I have a tomato cage I cut just to help support it a little bit because rain can trample this thing, especially if it's next to a house. I have this plant all over the garden and nursery here. But out in the front of the house, next to the house, where the rain comes off the roof, it just smashes it. Out here in the open, the rain doesn't hit it too hard. One interesting thing about this plant, you rub the leaves, it smells like black licorice. It does have that faint black licorice scent. When it's warm out, I can smell it from here, but it's not horrible. So if you absolutely despise black licorice, I wouldn't worry too much about it because it is a faint scent if you're further away from it and if you haven't rubbed your fingers on it. Now the majority of the Agastache in this nursery here has been propagated myself. Blue Fortune in particular, it's a sterile cultivar. So every spring when the plant's about 12 to 18 inches high, I'll find good stems, cut it below a node, strip off the lower leaves, plop it into some soil in a pot, and we're off to the races. It's good to go. Now, come winter time, when this plant's done flowering, just cut it right down to the ground, and I'll leave enough room for new shoots to come up in the spring. Like I said, this is a plant I would not be without. I'm watching a honeybee right here. So if you're looking for a plant that gives you good structure, beautiful little flowers, I swear Agastache goes up with almost any plant. It's a pollinator magnet and has a great little scent to it. Then consider Agastache. I highly recommend Blue Fortune. I just really love this cultivar. I have tried others, but for one reason or another, Blue Fortune is one I decided to stick with. And that is it, everyone. So give Agastache a try. Find the cultivar that works right for you. And until next time, bye-bye.